In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog post in Webflow. Let's dive in and make the process as simple and clear as possible. To get started, head over to your Webflow dashboard. Here, we're going to locate the Content Management System, often referred to as the CIA. You'll find it by identifying the icon that resembles two small, overlapping coins. It's the hub of your site's dynamic content. Once you've located it, go ahead and give it a click. This will present you with a variety of collections. Since we're focusing on blog content, look specifically for the collection labeled blog posts. Depending on how your site is set up, it might have different wording, such as blogs or articles. But not to worry, they all serve the same purpose. Open it by selecting it, and you'll be taken to the blog post listings. You'll see a button in the top right corner that says New Blog Post. This is your starting point for creating fresh content. Click on it to proceed. Now that you've opened up a new post template, it's time to dive into the details. First, you'll start by entering the title of your blog post. This is essential as it's the first thing your audience will see and provides context for your content. Next, take a look at the slug, which is automatically generated by Webflow. The slug forms part of your post's URL, so while Webflow does a good job of creating one for you, feel free to edit it to better suit your needs or to improve SEO. When it comes to crafting the main content of your post, you'll use Webflow's rich text editor. Think of this as your workspace for writing. Here you can craft your post using headings, paragraphs, and links to external sites or resources, ensuring your content is both informative and engaging. Don't forget to write a post summary as well. A succinct summary will appear in previews and feeds, offering a snapshot of what your post entails and enticing readers to dive deeper. Images often enhance a blog's appeal, so make sure to upload a main image that resonates with your post. This becomes your featured image and serves as a visual representation of what readers can expect. If your site incorporates additional custom fields such as author, categories, tags, or a specific publish date, be thorough in filling these out. They aid in the organization, categorization, and scheduling of your posts, helping readers discover your content more effectively. And there you have it, a complete guide to crafting and setting up a new blog post in Webflow. With these clear instructions, you're ready to share your thoughts and creations with the world. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging.